Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to create a complete project that is a supermarket. So the first step, I'm going to change my unit, type UN, and from here I'm going to change my unit to millimeter. Okay, and for area as well I'm going to change to square meter. Okay, and for volume again I'm going to change to cubic meter. Okay, and now I'm going to create some level in here. So I have already two level. I'm going to add two more level in here. If you select this, you can change from here the 50 centimeter, and this one 60 centimeter. Okay, let's change that name as well. You select this and there is a small sign, click that, and now I'm going to change like this, and I'm going to change the name as structure wall. Okay, yes, and for this again as well I'm going to change this to foundation. Yes, and this should be ground floor. Yes, and I'm going to change this as well for 50 meter, and this roof. Okay, and now I'm going to create the wall. Okay, from here go to the wall and edit type, and I'm going to duplicate this exterior wall. Okay, and now I'm going to edit, and from here I'm going to insert one more layer, this for plaster and this for the outside for the brick. And the plaster should be 1 centimeter, and this 21 centimeter. And now I'm going to change the material from here. I'm going to create a new material. I'm going to give the name to wall, and then click this, copy, and from here go to library, wall covering. From here I'm going to wall pen, and I'm going to choose coal white. This is the plaster, the inside of the building. Apply. Okay, and for the structure I'm going to choose just common brick. This one, brick common. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to change the name exterior wall. Apply. Okay, and okay, and now I'm going to create my wall. I'm going to start from here, 15 meter and 46 centimeter. Yes, 7 meter and here. Okay, now I'm going to use align tool. From here I choose wall face. From here to here, and from here to this side. Okay, you click one of them, and then now you can change. I'm going to change this to 15 for 6. This 7 meter. Okay, and this I'm going to just use align tools and make the line. Okay, I have a wall in here too. Let's draw this one too as well. Okay, so now again I'm going to use this one, line tool. Now I'm going to select this and change it to 1 meter 80 centimeter. Okay, this is how we create the exterior wall. So now I'm going to create one interior wall for this partition. Again, I'm going to go to architecture, wall, and here again edit. I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to just keep name wall. Okay, and from here I'm going to edit type. So this time I don't need this, or I don't. Let's delete this one, and I'm going to change the thickness for this 110, and the material is the same inside. I'm not going to change. Okay, and okay. So the same method again. I'm going to use first. I'm going to create wall, and then I will align this. I have one wall in here, one wall in here, and one wall in here, one wall in here, and a wall in here for toilet. Okay, again go to annotation, align it tools. I'm going to select this one from here to here, and this one, this one, and this one as well. This one, this one, this one. Okay, now select. I'm going to select this wall and this distances. Maybe 5 meter and 11 centimeter. Enter. And this one 140, this wall is okay. This two wall is the same. So now I'm going to change this 2 meter and 60 centimeter, and the second one, this one is 1580, and this one is as well 2 meter and 6 centimeter. So now how to create the wall and specify the place of the wall. Okay, so let's see in 3D. This is how it's look like. Let's change the direction. This should be inside and this way outside. Let's change it. Let's outside. This be outside. This will be outside, and this is okay. Yeah. Let's see again. Yeah. The wall is like that. Okay, and now I'm going to create the floor for this, and from here I'm going to go to foundation plan, and then floor here, and then I'm going to edit, and from here duplicate, and I'm going to give a name floor 2. Okay, and from here I'm going to edit. The thickness as 15 centimeter, and from here I'm going to change the material. I'm going to choose concrete. There's concrete. I'm going to again duplicate and floor 2. Check this one and then apply. Okay, okay, and okay. So now I'm going to use the pick line. You can choose pick wall, or you can choose pick line, or rectangular or line. I'm going to choose this line, this line, this line, this line, and I'm going to trim and extend this line. Okay, this is complete. And now okay, now let's see. This is the under. Let's change this. Okay, this one should be the base level foundation for the top. I'm going to give 150. Apply. Okay, and now let's touch it to the wall. So this is how to create the floor and wall. Okay, and now I'm going to create a structure wall. I'm going to go to structure, wall plan, and then go to the wall, and from here wall structure. So now again I'm going to change this. I'm going to duplicate, structure wall. Okay, and from here I'm going to edit. There's 60 centimeter, and the material, I'm going to change the material as well. Create new material and give name structure wall, and check this, copy, and from here go to library and concrete. From here I'm going to select this, and then close, apply, okay. From here I'm going to select wall center line and base construct and as structure wall, and the top as foundation. And now I'm going to create my wall from here. Just here. Of course for here. Okay, and now let's see in 3D. As you can see, this is how we create the structure wall for this.